गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू सर्वोदय आईएएस। इस वीडियो में हम लोग प्रीवियस ईयर मॉडर्न इंडियन हिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चन करेंगे बिहार पीसीएस के। आप लोग इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें सर्वोदय आईएएस को और अपने फ्रेंड्स में इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। स्टार्ट करते हैं। हु यूज्ड हुगली एज अ बेस फॉर पायरेसी इन बे ऑफ बंगाल? इसका आंसर होगा सी, पोर्टुगीज़। पोर्टुगीज़ ने बे ऑफ बंगाल में जो पायरेसी की थी उसका बेस उन्होंने हुगली में बनाया हुआ था। और जहांगीर के ज़माने में कासिम खान जो गवर्नर था वेस्ट बंगाल का, उसने इन्हें इम्प्रिजन किया था, सबड्यूट किया था, तब जाकर ये पायरेसी बंद हुई थी। इसका आंसर होगा सी, पोर्टुगीज़। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। डच ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी established its factory at पटना in which year? पटना में 1632 में इन्होंने अपनी फैक्ट्री इस्टेब्लिश की थी पटना में। मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द फेमस बैटल ऑफ वेंडिवोश in 1760 was fought by British against whom? It was fought between Britishers versus French. A will be the answer. Moving to the next question. Who was the first Governor General of India? First Governor General of India was Lord William Bentinck. ठीक. First Governor of Bengal, Warren Hastings. First Viceroy, कैनिंग, लॉर्ड कैनिंग। ये तीनों को याद रखिएगा, अक्सर ये क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं इन तीनों पे। मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द डुअल गवर्नेंस ऑफ बंगाल वाज इन्फोर्स्ड बाय the dual system of governance in Bengal was enforced by Robert Clive. C will be the answer. Diwani and Nizamat. Diwani was related with collection of revenue. It was given to corporation companies, and Nizamat was given to Nawab administration. Revenue was Diwani, corporation. Administration was given to Nawab. Dual governance. Moving to the next question. Under whose leadership was the suppression of thugs achieved? It was achieved during Lord William Bentinck. 1830. Captain Sleeman. ठीक. It was organized criminal gang. Moving to the next question. Which of the following princely states was not annexed by Britishers? It was Gwalior. B. Gwalior. Moving to the next question. The viceroy who followed aggressive policy towards Afghanistan? B. Lord Lytton. इनका पीरियड था 1876 to 1880 और इनके ज़माने में सेकेंड एंग्लो अफगान वॉर हुई थी। ठीक. फर्स्ट एंग्लो अफगान वॉर कहलाती है अकलैंड्स फॉली। पूरी आर्म फोर्स से 13 पीपल सिर्फ वापस आए थे। अकलैंड्स फॉली 1839 to 42. Moving to the next question. In 1902, Lord Curzon appointed University Commission, including 2 Indian members. Who were they? देखिए, MCQ में जो है वो स्टूडेंट्स को कंफ्यूज करने की कोशिश की जाती है। अब देखिए, यहाँ पर 2 नाम दे रखे हैं, सैयद हुसैन बलग्रामी, सैयद हुसैन। 2 ऑप्शन में दे रखा है। इसका राइट आंसर है डी, सैयद हुसैन बलग्रामी एंड जस्टिस गुरदास बैनर्जी। ठीक. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Who established Imperial Cadet Corps? It was established in 1904 by Lord Curzon. Moving to the next question. Who was the founder of British Empire in India? The real founder is Lord Clive. Moving to the next question. Which of the following was not the reason for making the sepoys of East India Company rebellious? A, B, and C were the reasons. D, inefficiency of the officer was not the reason. D will be the answer. Moving to the next question. From where the revolution of 1857 started? It started first. It started from Meerut. D will be the answer. Meerut. Moving to the next question. Which of the following person had participated actively in revolt of 1857? Actively. All have participated actively. Nana Sahib from Kanpur, Hazrat Mahal from Begum Hazrat Mahal from Lucknow, Maulvi Ahmadullah from Faizabad, and Begum Zeenat Mahal from Delhi. Moving to the next question. Where did Kuwar Singh join the rebellion of 1857 against Britishers? The right answer is Ara, E. But BPSC has given answer B, Patna. Ara will be the right answer. Moving to the next question. Who spearheaded the 1857 revolt in Bihar? The answer is Kunwar Singh. Kunwar Singh. Moving to the next question. Who led 1857 revolt in Bihar? Again, Kunwar Singh. C will be the answer. Moving to the next question. Who among the following did not rebel against the British East India Company's control over them? Did not rebel. Except Nizam of Hyderabad. All other rebelled. Raja Vijayanagar, Poligar of Tamil Nadu, and Diwan Velu Thampi of Travancore. Nizam of Hyderabad didn't rebel. Moving to the next question. Indigo Rebellion was about. It was about peasant not wanting to grow indigo but being forced to grow at a price that was unacceptable. C will be the answer. 1859. Nadia district of West Bengal. 1859. Moving to the next question. Coal mutiny of 1831 under Buddha Bhagat took place in which of the following region? It was in Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau region. That is Ranchi, Singhbhum, and other areas. Okay? Singhbhum will be the answer. And the leader of the revolt was Buddha Bhagat. ये important है. Buddha Bhagat. Leader of the revolt Buddha Bhagat. And period was 1831. तो रीजन से क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, ईयर से क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, और लीडर से क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु वाज द लीडर ऑफ मुंडा रिवोल्ट? बिरसा मुंडा वाज द लीडर ऑफ दिस. इसको उलगूलन भी बोलते हैं इस रिवोल्ट को. उलगूलन भी बोलते हैं, और ये 1899 में हुआ था. 1899. It was led by Birsa Munda. Moving to the next question. In which territory did tribals rebel against the British? It was in Bihar. A will be the answer. Bihar. Moplar rebellion of 1921 broke out in Kerala. B. Kerala. Moplar rebellion. इनके इस लीडर थे इनके अली मुस्लियार. ठीक, लीडर थे अली मुस्लियार. इसमें था क्या कि इट वॉज अगेंस्ट द टेनेंसी लॉज ऑफ ब्रिटिशर्स, एंड एट दैट टाइम most of the zamindars were Hindu. And peasants were Muslims. So when peasants revolted against zamindar and moneylenders and Britishers, later on Britishers gave it communal color. communal color, but it was actually against the tenancy law. ठीक. Moving to the next question. Immediate cause of Deccan riots of 1875 was immediate cause. B is also the cause, C is also good, but immediate cause was E, the shadow of famine. The shadow of famine. A will be the answer, immediate cause. ठीक. Moving to the next question. From the option given below, find the correct combination of the names of the editor of nationalist newspaper, The Hindu, Kesari, Bengali, Hindustani, Sudharak. ठीक. The answer is D. D. Kesari by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bengali by S.N. Banerjee. ठीक. Sudharak by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The Hindu by G. Subramaniam Iyer. G. Subramaniam Iyer. Please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. We will bring the similar video on Indian geography, world geography, medieval India. Then we will cover current affairs also. So please share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.